to Planet Earth, written by Gina Bellisario, illustrated by Paula Becker. Chapter 1, A Special Planet. My class is visiting the Space Museum. Dr. Sally, our guide, was an astronaut on the International Space Station. She holds up a model of Earth. I orbited this special planet, she says. Orbited means she went around it. Neptune is my favorite planet, I say. It's so big that 50 Earths can fit inside. Earth takes 365 days, or 1 year, to orbit the sun. It spins as it orbits. One full spin takes 24 hours, or 1 day. Neptune is pretty cool, Dr. Sally agrees, but Earth is the planet I like best. But it isn't as huge as Neptune, I say, and it doesn't have rings like Saturn. What makes Earth special? It's the only planet we know of that has living things, says Dr. Sally. Earth is unique in other ways, too. How do you think Earth is special? Is my home planet really special? I want to find out for myself. Maybe if I saw it from space, I'd see what Dr. Sally means. But I can't go to space. Or can I? Earth is the third planet from the sun. The closest planet to Earth planets are Venus and Mars. Chapter 2, Flying Astronauts. I close my eyes. Pretty soon, I'm flying off into space. Then suddenly, welcome aboard, Ian, says Dr. Sally. I'm on the International Space Station. Inside, I can float. I'm a flying astronaut. Do you know why he's able to float on the International Space Station up in space? Yeah, there's no gravity in space. Earth's gravity pulls us towards Earth. We can float because we're farther away from Earth up here, Dr. Sally says. Now let's check out the view. I soar to the window and look out. Earth is bigger than I thought. Bluer, too. Oceans cover 70% of our planet, Dr. Sally replies. Most of Earth's plants and animals live in the ocean. Blue whales rise out of the Atlantic Ocean. They are the world's largest animals. I wonder what other cool animals I'll see. Gravity from the moon and the sun pulls at Earth and makes the oceans rise and fall. Chapter 3, Cool Earth. The space station is passing over the continent of Africa. Elephants, I shout. We're above the African savanna, Dr. Sally says. A savanna is a landform. Many kinds of landforms make up Earth's continents. I see beaches and canyons in North America. I see volcanoes in Asia. Earth has 7 continents. They're Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. We live in North America. Just when I think our adventure can't get better, I see something even more amazing out of the window. That's Antarctica, explains Dr. Sally. Here, you'll find the South Pole. The sun doesn't shine directly on the North Pole or the South Pole, so they're the coldest places on Earth. Pretty cool, huh? Would you want to visit one of the coldest places on Earth? Brr. Most of Earth isn't too hot or too cold, thanks to our atmosphere, Dr. Sally continues. The atmosphere works like a blanket and keeps Earth warm. Gases in the atmosphere trap the sun's heat. There are hot and cold air masses in the atmosphere. When the masses meet, they create storms. Dr. Sally, I say, you're right. Earth really is amazing. Dr. Sally laughs and says, yes, and it's true. But did you know that there's one other important thing that makes Earth special? I don't know what it could be. Then Dr. Sally points to me and says, it's you. Chapter 4, Brain Power. Me? I'm confused. How do I make Earth special? You make Earth special too. Do you know how? Earth is the only planet we know with intelligent life, answers Dr. Sally, and humans have the brain power to invent, build, and discover new things. Just imagine what great things you will do someday. Then I hear my teacher's voice. Come on, Ian, time to go. Our space museum trip is wrapping up. I'm sad that my adventure is over, but I have work to do on Earth. My space club meets tonight. I want to learn even more about space. Then I can do great things, like Dr. Sally says.